One of the best features of Android is the ability to customize almost any visual element and make it your own. A widget is an element that can be applied to the home screen of your Android device and can be resized to fit your design preferences. In addition to serving a visual purpose, a widget can be made to provide functions as well. Zooper Widget is an app, rather a widget, that fully embraces both design and function in bringing features to your home screen. In their own words, it's a minimal, classy, extremely customizable and battery-friendly do-it-yourself widget with almost limitless possibilities. So, today I'm going to show you guys how to set up Zooper Widget and create custom widget for your home screen. Excited? So without any further ado, let's get started. To begin with, you will need to install Zooper Widget from the Play Store. You can also install some of the Zooper Widget skins available in the Play Store for some amazing widgets. To get started, we are going to add a Zooper Widget to your home screen. Adding a widget is done in one of the two ways depending on the launcher that you are using. You can try a long press on the desired location of your home screen and choose Add Widget. If this option is not there, you can access the widgets from within your application drawer. Now scroll down and you will find Zooper Widget. Zooper Widget provides many different sizes of widgets that you can add to your home screen. Carefully consider the size that you need to fill your space. If your launcher allows you to resize the widgets, as most stock versions of Android do, you may add a 1x1 widget and then manually resize it to fit your space. I'm going to select a 1x1 widget. Once you have a blank widget on your home screen, tap it to begin setup. You will be asked to choose a starting point for your design. Now you can either select any one of the built-in designs or you can choose from the downloaded Zooper skins. I'm going to select Oshia for Zooper. It has a wide variety of good-looking and functional widgets to choose from. I'm going to go with this one here. Go ahead and tap the one you like the best. Now you can customize the widget as you like. You can set the widget background here. For many designs, a default widget background color is put in place. It is usually semi-transparent, providing a distinction between your home screen wallpaper and the elements of your Zooper widget. Feel free to change the color of the background. Slide vertically in the right-hand side color spectrum to change your main color, then drag the indicator dot along the color palette to control the black or white balance of your color. You can change the transparency of the background color by sliding the indicator in the horizontal bar near the bottom. Slide all the way to the right if you do not want any background color. On the widget on tap option, you can set the function of the widget. You can set it to default configuration, that is what the widget designer has set it to. Or you can disable the widget on tap action, or else you can set it to force update itself on tap. If you have chosen a template that displays weather, you will need to set your default location. Don't worry, Zooper Widget can access your current location to provide the most accurate weather. It simply falls back to your default location if you happen to turn off your location services. In global preferences, it is important to set an appropriate refresh interval to optimize the battery consumption. The default is 2 hours, which I will also recommend. This refresh interval is for larger and network-related actions like updating your weather or identifying your next calendar event. After you have your settings, locations and background all as you desire, we can control the elements themselves by tapping the layout. In layout mode, you will be able to see all of the individual design elements that make up your widget. They are in the drawing order, which means that the items at the bottom of the list will display over the top of the items on the top of the list. To edit an individual element, tap it directly or tap its checkbox on the right hand side and choose Edit from the top menu. Here you can customize each widget element the same way you customize the whole widget. To finish, simply tap the system back button to exit to the home screen. How does your widget look? If it's not perfect, don't worry. It is a very common need to go back in a few times to make minor edits to perfect the design. In this way, you can create your own custom widget for your home screen. So that's it guys. If you like my video, give us a thumbs up, and if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and tap on the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.